Hello students, welcome to the new session on Analog Electronics 1. Myself, Gunjan Mittal Roy in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering in GEM-TECH Greater Noida. So in the previous video, we have talked about FET, its basic structure, biasing and operating conditions. So after the JFET, which is the first category of FET, the next category is MOSFET, which is metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. And in this we have two distinct categories, which are enhancement type and depletion type MOSFET. So this all we are going to cover in this video. So firstly, what are MOSFETs? MOSFETs, as the name suggests, they are a kind of FETs similar to JFET, but they have additional features. There is a layer of oxide and metal at the gate. So there is a layer metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. So semiconductor was already there at the gate. Above that, oxide layer, which is silicon dioxide SiO2, is used at the gate, and this is connected to the metallic terminal. So the three layers at the gate are metal, oxide and semiconductor. So therefore the device is named as MOSFET. So there are two types of MOSFETs, as I mentioned in the previous slide, which are depletion type and enhancement type. So before we go to the different types of MOSFETs, why do we use oxide layer at the gate terminal? So basically the oxide layer at the gate gives high input impedance of the order of mega ohm and hundreds of mega ohm, which is much required feature for an amplifier. And also the integration or the chip size becomes smaller, and the integration is much easier and effective if we use MOSFET. So MOSFET offer better features for an amplifier for a switch. So this is the first type of MOSFET, which is depletion type MOSFET, and it is somewhat different with respect to JFET, that there is a channel P-type substrate, and in that small n-type discontinuities are there. Rather, it's a continuous small n channel shown by this green shaded region, and upon that is the silicon dioxide layer SiO2, and then the metallic gate terminal is taken out, and at the top and the bottom are the drain and source terminals taken across the substrate. So depletion type and MOSFET means the FET, the MOSFET, they have conductivity, already they conduct, and when we apply a certain gate voltage, the conductivity is reduced or it is depleted. Therefore they are called as the depletion type MOSFETs. It is because if we apply negative battery to the source and positive battery to the drain, the charges will move from source to drain, and a closed loop will be formed between source and drain, and the current will flow. But as we apply the gate voltage, which is reverse bias, so that reverse bias will bring positive charges in the n-type region, and that charges will reduce the channel width, and resulting into the reduction in the flow of current from source to drain, a flow of charges from drain to source to drain, and therefore the flow of current from drain to source. So this is the two types of MOSFETs, depletion and enhancement. Now the depletion type MOSFET, in that case the characteristic is similar to that of JFET. So as the gate voltage increases, the current decreases, and the current equation is also used as Shockley's current equation. So this is the D type MOSFET in enhancement. Now, so after the depletion type of MOSFET, we use enhancement MOSFET, and the enhancement means the current is increased. Now the enhancement MOSFET work in two mode: depletion mode and enhancement mode. In case of a depletion mode, the behavior is like the voltage polarities are different for depletion mode and enhancement mode. For enhancement mode, positive voltage is applied at the gate, and for depletion mode, negative voltage is applied at the gate. So this is the P-channel D-type MOSFET, where the substrate is N and the channel in the P-channel is very narrow as shown here. These are the symbols of D-type MOSFET, N-channel and P-channel. So the enhancement type MOSFET construction. In case of enhancement type construction, the channel is discrete. So it is discontinuous and it is at the top and the bottom. So if it is N-channel E MOSFET, then the N-channel is at the drain terminal side and source terminal side, where rest of the channel is, rest of the substrate is P-type material, as shown in the figure, that there is a discrete or discontinuous N channels, and in between there is P channel. Apart from that, the construction is similar to that of depletion type MOSFET, that it has a silicon dioxide layer at the gate, and then a metallic terminal is taken out, which is a gate terminal, and the metallic terminals from source and drain are also taken out. Now when no gate voltage is applied and the voltage is given between source and drain, it is given in such a way that the source is forward biased with respect to drain. So the negative battery is connected at the source, the charges move from source to drain, but they cannot reach drain because in between the source and drain there is a huge gap, huge discontinuity, and the P-type well, or we can say P-type ocean, the charges pushed from source region will not be able to reach the drain, whereas they will be disappeared within the P region, and therefore there will not be any current at the drain. So it means they are initially off, they have zero conductivity initially. So if it is zero, it cannot be decreased, rather it can only be increased. So therefore they are called as enhancement type MOSFET. So here the conductivity can only enhance, can only increase, since it is initially zero. Now to enhance that conductivity, we need to have a continuity in the channel. So therefore we need to have negative charges accumulated near the gate terminal, and for that positive gate voltage is applied, and that positive brings the negative charges to be accumulated across the gate terminal, resulting into a continuity in the channel, and this continuity brings the conduction or current in the device. Therefore, by applying positive gate voltage, the device works in enhancement mode. So by applying positive voltage, it works in enhancement mode, and by applying negative voltage, it works in depletion mode. So this is the P-channel E enhancement MOSFET, and these are the symbols of P-channel and N-channel MOSFETs. Thank you so much.